So, can I grow potatoes that are sprouting in the kitchen?
Yes.
Yes, you sure can. You should not. If you've had some potatoes sitting there for a while and they have not sprouted, don't use those.
The appropriate time.
Yeah. This you want to. Oh yeah, I mean, obviously, if you brought potatoes home from the store and they didn't sprout tomorrow, but if they sat there for a while and they've been sprouting, then you can absolutely grow them. We do suggest that if they're a larger potato, maybe cut them up a little bit to about the size of an egg, like a regular sized chicken egg, is what you want to plant. But you can absolutely grow those.
45 degrees minimum soil temperature at root zone, consistent. Consistent. So long range forecast, you want to check the soil temperature 3, 4, 5 inches below soil grade. But also, here's the other thing. You kind of want to try to figure out what variety you have. Due to the fact that certain varieties, there's early, mid, and late season or long season potatoes. Some take 90 days, some take 110, some take 120. So you kind of want to know what you're getting into so you know the basic time frame. Oh, that plant's starting to die off. We can harvest it. Also, people are concerned, well, it may be sprayed with something. If it's already sprouting, it's not been sprayed, or the spray has, dissipated growth inhibitors and it's sprouting, you're going to be fine. Now, you can use sprouted potatoes for like mashed potatoes. You just don't want to do like a baked potato and cut, tear all the eyes off. But a mashed potato that has been with a potato that has eyes on it does work. Right. You're not going to notice that. But yeah, you can certainly do that. Works very well. And if you're concerned, and sometimes the seed potatoes can be quite expensive.
Absolutely.
And a bag of, you get a bag of 10 or 15 pounds of potatoes for a couple of dollars. So, what are you going to do?